Golden Lattice Scallion Pancakes, Kong Yu Bing. A delicious Chinese, shandong, appetizer side dish recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 45 minutes. And cooking takes around 20 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 3 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup boiling water, a 1/4 cup cold water, a half teaspoon kosher salt, 2 cups scallions, a 1/4 cup lard or neutral oil, 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil, a half teaspoon 5-spice powder, 1 teaspoon fine sea salt. Step 1. Place the 3 cups of flour and salt in a large mixing bowl. Slowly pour in the boiling water while stirring constantly with chopsticks until ragged clumps form. Step 2. Add the cold water and continue mixing. Once cool enough to touch, knead the dough by hand for 5 to 8 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Cover with a damp cloth and rest for 30 minutes. Step 3. While the dough rests, prepare the raux, yuzu. Heat the lard or oil in a small saucepan until shimmering, then whisk in 3 tablespoons of flour, 5-spice powder, and salt. Cook for 1 minute until fragrant, remove from heat, and stir in the sesame oil. Step 4. Finely chop the scallion greens. Ensure they are completely dry before use to prevent the dough from getting soggy. Step 5. Divide the rested dough into 4 equal portions. On a lightly floured surface, roll one portion into a very thin rectangle, roughly 10 times 12 inches. Step 6. Spread a thin, even layer of the prepared oil raux over the dough, leaving a half-inch border. Sprinkle generously with a 1/4 of the chopped scallions. Step 7. Starting from the long edge, roll the dough up tightly into a long rope, like a jelly roll. Pinch the seam to seal. Step 8. Gently stretch the rope longer, then coil it into a spiral, like a snail shell, tucking the end underneath the coil. Step 9. Cover the coils with plastic wrap and let them rest for another 15 minutes. This relaxes the gluten so they can be flattened without springing back. Step 10. Gently press a coil down with your palm, then use a rolling pin to flatten it into a 7 to 8 inch circle. Be careful not to press so hard that the scallions burst through the layers. Step 11. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed skillet or cast iron pan over medium heat. Place the pancake in the pan. Step 12. Fry for 3 minutes per side. Use a spatula to press down occasionally to ensure even browning. The pancake is done when both sides are golden brown and crispy. Step 13. The secret, fluffing, step. Once cooked, use 2 spatulas, or tongs, to gently scrunch the pancake from the edges toward the center. This separates the internal layers and makes it extra flaky. Step 14. Repeat with the remaining dough portions. Slice into wedges and serve immediately while hot. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.